Hello everyone and welcome back to Brooke's Beauty Bazaar. My name is Brooke and in today's video I'm going to be talking about exactly how to treat and clear fungal acne, also known as Malassezia folliculitis or Pityrosporum folliculitis. Roll the footage. So I think you guys are going to be surprised to learn that in this video, my approach to clearing fungal acne involves minimal products and very simple steps. Make sure you guys stay tuned because not only am I going to be sharing the exact products and skincare routine I use to clear my fungal acne, but I'm also going to explain how I prevent it from coming back. At the very least, guys, do not click off this video until you have grabbed my free fungal acne shopping guides. I've made guides to Walmart, Target, Ulta, and Sephora, and you can get those by clicking the link in the down bar below. Just look for the shopping carts. Let's do this. So before I get into the details of this video, here's a quick reminder of what fungal acne is and how it differs from regular acne or bacterial acne. Regular acne happens when your pores or your hair follicles, because that's what they are, become clogged with excess oil, dead skin cells, dirt, and bacteria. This results in inflammation, which causes you to develop pustules and papules on your face. So where fungal acne differs from regular bacterial acne vulgaris is that you have the added element of yeast or fungus on the skin. Now, everyone has yeast and fungus that naturally occurs on their skin, but in this case, it's an overgrowth of that yeast, and it's specifically an overgrowth of the yeast called Malassezia furfur. Hence the name Malassezia folliculitis, Malassezia being the name of the yeast that is an overgrowth, and folliculitis literally meaning inflammation of the hair follicle. Now, to hopefully not confuse anyone here, I did just want to point out that all humans actually have yeast, bacteria, and oil naturally on their skin. Just the presence of those things on your skin doesn't mean that everyone is going to be developing acne in their lifetime, but the excessive presence of those things on your skin are what causes the acne. And then one more thing to point out here is that it's possible for you to have both bacterial and fungal acne on your face at the exact same moment. So I'm not going to go into great depth on why some people are more prone to acne and how people get the overgrowth of the Malassezia yeast in the first place. If you want more information on that, that's exactly why I created my From Fungal Acne to Clear Skin Guide, and you can get that by clicking the link in the down bar below. Just look for the green check marks. Otherwise, in this video, I'm going to assume that you already suspect that you have fungal acne, and I am going to give you instructions on how you can actually clear it up. First of all, I want to be clear, I am not a dermatologist, and everything that I'm about to tell you in this video is based on my own personal experiences, the research I've done, and how I cleared my fungal acne. If you want to take my advice, you are doing so at your own risk, but I don't really think it's that risky. Secondly, you can listen to the information I present in this video and decide if you agree or disagree with me at the end of it, but I want to stress that you alone must take responsibility for clearing up your skin conditions, period. All right, guys, that is enough with the disclaimer stuff. Here is my personal approach to clearing fungal acne. I want to throw it out there that oral antifungals are a treatment option, but I have decided that the rare but possible side effects such as liver damage and heart failure are a little bit too risky for me. And a lot of you are probably not surprised by that because if you've seen my acne journey video, then you will know that I decided not to take Accutane for similar reasons. That being said, I cleared my fungal acne from a strictly topical approach, and these are the 4 products that I used and that you can use too to clear your skin. Go ahead, get your pen and paper, open your notes app on your phone or your Word document, whatever you're gonna do, and write this down. The first product that you need to clear your fungal acne is a Fungal Acne Safe Cleanser. The second product is going to be a Fungal Acne Safe active ingredient. This is the product that you're going to use to actually treat and kill the fungus on your skin. The third product you're going to need is going to be a Fungal Acne Safe moisturizer. Moisture is key. And number 4, a Fungal Acne Safe sunscreen. Now you might be thinking, Brooke, that sounds like my current skincare routine. What gives? That is way too simple. And to be honest, you'd be right about that. It is very simple. But don't miss this point because this is the one that I really want to emphasize here. Those 4 products need to be fungal acne safe. And that simply means that they don't contain any of the ingredients that are known to feed Malassezia yeast. So quick review here, if you want your fungal acne to go away, you need to use products that do not feed the Malassezia yeast. Got it? Good. Don't worry guys, I'm not gonna leave you hanging. I'm about to tell you exactly what those products are, but I do just wanna drive one more point home because this is very vital. If you're watching this video and you say, I do have all fungal acne safe products in my skincare routine, that's not enough. If you're someone who also wears makeup on a regular basis, daily or frequently, then you also need to be changing your makeup to fungal acne safe products. Yes, I know how much you guys have invested in your beloved products. I personally have thrown out thousands of dollars worth of products in discovering that I had fungal acne, and it definitely hurt me a little bit. However, I would just pose this question to you. Would you rather have clear skin, or would you rather have an $80 product that is actually continuing to make your skin worse with every passing second? The choice is up to you. So to make this pill a little bit easier to swallow, I just want to add here that my personal fungal acne skincare routine costs right around $50. And I don't want to mislead you because that definitely doesn't include all of the makeup products that I use, but it includes my entire skincare system. But I also want to point out right now that it is entirely possible for you to get your hands on a totally fungal acne safe makeup bag for around the price of $45. And within that price, you can get a foundation, a concealer, a blush, a bronzer, and a lipstick. So you heard me right, it's true. You can build yourself an entirely fungal acne safe skincare and makeup routine for about $100. How does that sound to you guys? So I want you guys to go down into the comments right now and tell me, how much do you spend on your current skincare and makeup routine? Is it $100? Is it more than or less than? And while you're down there, go ahead and press subscribe because there is so much more good fungal acne safe beauty content where this came from. So we have covered the basics. We have talked about what fungal acne is. We have talked about the 4 products that you need to actually treat and clear your skin. And we have also talked about how to prevent your acne from coming back simply by using fungal acne safe products. But I have 2 more places to take this video. So the first one is the exact products that you can use to treat your fungal acne. And the second is the fungal acne skincare routine, so how you're actually going to implement those products. So here are the 4 products that I recommend to clear your fungal acne. Drum roll, please. The first one is the Vanicream Gentle Cleanser. That product is going to run you $9. The second one is the Stridex Maximum Strength Pads. They are $3 and they contain the salicylic acid that is going to be used to actually kill the fungus on your skin and clear up your acne. The third product is the Garnier Skin Active Moisture Rescue Refreshing Gel Cream. It is gonna run you $6. And the fourth one is the Paula's Choice Youth Extending Daily Hydrating Fluid SPF 50. Now this product is the most expensive of the bunch, coming in at $33. So this entire skincare routine is gonna cost you about $52 plus tax. Now, the only reason that I included such an expensive sunscreen is because I truly do find that with some of the cheaper formulas, you sacrifice so many things. With the cheaper ones, you're getting a chalkier consistency. They're usually thicker, harder to use on your face, and they just don't wear well under makeup. But the Paula's Choice is so beautiful and fluid. It wears beautifully under makeup. It acts like a makeup primer on its own. And it is SPF 50, which is a high amount of protection, and that is exactly what we're looking for. So I am about to tell you the exact skincare routine to use with these products, but before I do that, I just want to quickly remind you again about my free fungal acne safe shopping guides to Walmart, Target, Ulta, and Sephora. Remember when I told you guys that you didn't only need a skincare routine that's fungal acne safe, but you also need makeup? Those guides are where you're going to find all that information. Again, you can find them by clicking the link below. Just look for the shopping carts. So let's go ahead and put this into a skincare routine that you can get started using right now to clear up your fungal acne. In the morning when I wake up, as long as my skin is not feeling too tight and dry, I will go ahead and cleanse my face with my Vanicream cleanser. Immediately after that, I will use my Stridex pads and then follow that up with my moisturizer. After I put my moisturizer on, that is when the sunscreen comes into play. Remember, sunscreen should go on that top layer of your skincare routine. And then after sunscreen, I'm good to go. I can put all the makeup I desire onto my skin. At nighttime, after a long day of wearing makeup and collecting dirt and disgusting grime on your skin, you're definitely gonna want to start by cleansing your face. So again, you're gonna go in with your cleanser. And if you need to, use it twice just to make sure that you get all of the makeup off of your skin, because you really want it to be clean. That's a huge piece of a good skincare routine, is getting your skin nice and clean. Right after that, again, we are going in with the Stridex pad, so the salicylic acid, rubbing that onto our face. You can follow that up with a moisturizer. If you guys want to, a pro tip, go ahead and just spritz your face with some water or splash a little bit on it and then apply your moisturizer over your dampened skin, because that's really gonna help to give you that extra boost of moisture and really lock things in. Alternately, in the morning, if my skin just feels too dry, I usually skip the cleanser and the Stridex altogether, and I will just go in and rinse my face off with some water and a little bit of pressing with my fingers to make sure I remove any grime from the night before. And then I'll go ahead and apply my moisturizer and my sunscreen. So although the Stridex pads are formulated to be gentle enough for daily use, and you can honestly use them 2 times a day, I do not find that more is always better for me, and I have found that to keep my skin clear, I usually only need to use a Stridex pad once a week at this point. So please don't be afraid to taper off and use an active ingredient less as your skin gets more clear and you just don't have as much of a need for it. 2 things to keep in mind if you ever find that this routine is not working out for you. The first being is moisturizer. You must have moisturizer in your skincare routine. Moisturized skin, hydrated skin is going to be your biggest ally when it comes to clearing up your acne. If you're doing all of those steps to your skin but you forget the moisturizer, then you're basically just shooting yourself in the foot, because your skin's probably not going to clear up that well. And the second thing that you need to remember is to use your sunscreen. You need to protect your skin from sun damage, and when you're using BHAs and AHAs, in this case the salicylic acid is a BHA, that is exfoliating your skin, so your skin is going to be more prone to sun damage and burning at this point. So you just want to make sure that you're protecting it. It is going to go so far in not only helping you heal your skin, but also helping you with the anti-aging process, which, let's be honest, we are all in it for. Alright guys, so I'm going to provide links to all the products I mentioned in this video below, as well as tons of other great fungal acne resources and videos that you can use to help get you on a clear skin journey. If you need help sourcing fungal acne safe products, don't forget about those free shopping guides, and don't forget to come and say hi to me on Instagram at Brooks Beauty Bazaar, where I hang out every single day. Now, if you will quickly direct your attention to the left side of the screen, I'm linking 2 videos I think you guys will like. The first is fungal acne safe sunscreens, and the second is fungal acne safe moisturizers. And there's plenty more fungal acne safe content on my blog, brooksbeautybazaar.com. Make sure you check that out and join me on my mission to prove that clear skin and amazing makeup can coexist.